Hello, and let me introduce you to the SKT525-550M10 solar module series, manufactured by 𝐊𝐞𝐲 Sunket New Energy Technology. Ranging from 540 to 550 watts and reaching up to 21.3% conversion efficiency, these are equipped with powerful 182mm monocrystalline half-cut cells with PERC technology. This advanced technology incorporates a dielectric passivation layer to the rear surface of the cells, which enhances their light absorption efficiency, reduces electrons blockage, and decreases the heat absorption by reflecting the unproductive light wavelengths. Another performance-improving technology adopted in this product is the half-cut cells architecture, which boosts efficiency by lowering the electrical resistance and offering higher shade tolerance. In addition, smaller size of the cells ensures better resistance to micro-cracking and mechanical damage. Installing more powerful modules with high conversion efficiency allows you to maximize production even with limited space. For large-scale arrays, significant balance of system cost reduction is possible since our modules work in higher voltage systems up to 1500 volts. In terms of durability, these are reliably protected with field-proven components. Low iron tempered glass with anti-reflective and a self-cleaning coating minimizes interrupted light transmission due to dust and grime. The module frame is constructed using corrosion-resistant aluminium alloy, while its junction box is IP68 rated, ensuring resistance to water, dust, and sand ingress. If you like, you can also request for a black frame and a backsheet for a stylish all-black look. These are also PID and LID resistant, which guarantees there would be no significant performance loss caused by these negative factors. 𝐊𝐶𝐲 Sunket New Energy Technology is a high-tech enterprise located in the Jiangsu province of mainland China, which specializes in the design and manufacture of solar photovoltaic modules. Established in 2007, our products have since reached various countries in Southeast Asia, the Middle East, Africa, and South America. Striving to provide first-class solutions and services for our customers in the global renewable energy market, we emphasize quality at every stage of our manufacturing process. Each module is tested twice using modern electroluminescence and IV testing machines. That's why we can confidently guarantee 12 years of 90.88% performance and 25 years of 80.68% performance for this product, as well as 12 years of material and workmanship warranty. As a further guarantee for the high quality of our products, we also obtained for these various certifications, including TÜV, CE, Inmetro, and CQC. Our highly experienced customer support team will ensure punctual and trouble-free logistics. As a rule, we ship from Shanghai with an average lead time of 7 to 15 days. Our standard packaging configuration is 124 pieces per 20-foot container and 620 pieces per 40-foot container. We provide various options of payment terms and types for the convenience of our customers. Please come and talk to us to find out more.